Let me introduce you to a little secret. When it comes to screen printing and you're looking for perfect results, I am the one who makes the difference, as I am the heart of the printing process. Who am I? I'm the perfect screen. Please let me guide you through the top-level step-by-step screen-making process that makes me flawless. First, I'm strung up and fastened tightly. When freshly stretched, I'm ready for the automated screen making. I then travel through the inline installation to reach the coating process, where I enjoy a luscious break. The coating must dry afterwards. This is done in the drying process. After that, it's time to put my shades on to relax again under the UV light as the pattern is laid out. When I'm sure I got the perfect tone, I put my trunks on for a quick shower to remove any residual. Now I'm fully ready to print. No need for retouching. Oh, and get this! Thanks to computer-to-screen direct exposing technology, developed by SignTronic, and screen automation technology by GRUNIG, the entire process is fully automated, preventing any dirty hands touching me ever again. As if this were not enough advantages, the process is sustainable and minimizes the environmental impact. Screen printing has never been smoother. Lower costs and improved printing quality. The perfect workflow for the perfect screen. GRUNIG and SignTronic, two innovative Swiss companies, work hand in hand to provide you with the fastest, best, most flexible, and cost-saving solution for your success. Could it be any more simple? GRUNIG and SignTronic, your partners in screen making. Clever, isn't it?